Hey guys, it's been a long time since I have uploaded any video. Actually, a few days ago I started my MBA and I thought there are so many case studies are available in syllabus. Then why should not I include it in my YouTube videos? So that's why from now on I'm planning to make as many as videos possible on what I learn and what I'm gonna learn, like some business case studies, startups, marketing, product, people and all. Whatever I'm gonna find useful, I'll include it in my videos. And I hope you guys are gonna like that.
नहीं.
So, on that being said, let's get started. So, our today's topic is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a vast platform that offers a wide range of opportunities to those who knows how to make use of them. It makes it easier to the brand to connect with their audience and customer, and also help customer to understand a brand better by clicking with them emotionally. Emotions are feelings, bind both of them in a relationship that is honest and add loyalty to the brand value. I'm gonna give 5 digital marketing case studies that brought about good result and positive impact among the audience. I hope you are able to learn more with the help of these digital marketing case studies.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
First, Lay's Smile Dekhe Dekho. Lay's is a potato chip initiative from the parent company PepsiCo that initiated the Smile Dekhe Dekho campaign in October 2019. The unique selling proposal was that the brand promoted a message of how a simple smile can connect different individuals universally and simultaneously convey the emotions and the mood effortlessly through the each packet and flavor of chip. The uniqueness of the initiative was engaging the influencers on various social platforms in advertising the brand for them. Not only that, Lay's customized more than 350 curated packs for the influencers. Number 2. The Burger King. Burger King is legendary when it comes to establishing the digital footprints in a space of digital marketing. Their digital campaign in US made a pure genius marketing strategy. The constant competition among the two brand rivals, Burger King and McDonald's, often cause a ripple in the waters of digital marketing space. Most brands wish to incorporate the use of the latest technology into their marketing strategy and make the optimum use of the technology. Since these are usually novice and new, some mistakes are follows. Burger King is one such brand that loves to play with technology to create a such marketing experience that its consumers least expect it to. Such a marketing strategy that is viewed with voice-enabled devices. This digital campaign stressed on featuring the catchphrase of Google's voice-activated tool. "Okay Google, what is a Whopper burger?" And as a result, any device near it and can be able to hear the prompt would enable itself and read up the famous Whopper burger by Burger King. Number 3. Zomato. Zomato is yet another digital food giant that could not escape but master the world of digital marketing. The brand is known to be winning hearts on social media. All due credits to its mastery in digital marketing space. Its tweets have been constantly promoting customer to the brand and vice versa engagement. Number 4. Nikon. The brand Nikon launched a campaign, "I am intending to take the audience to back on the nostalgic trip that is a fresh breath of air in itself." It encourages the audience to indulge in joyful clicking than merely click pictures. Not only that, the commercial shows an array of instances like "I am the white shark," where a father captures a picture of his toddler playing with foam. The brand promotes capturing the little moment of the life in a way, telling the audience to live, not just merely exist. Number 5. Times of India. Times of India is a daily newspaper brand that is known in every household in India. But sadly, it has been seen as a struggling newspaper because of the emerging new digital platforms. The new digital marketing campaign by Times of India has been ranking up the emotions attached to the newspaper in every household. The campaign that was run was named as Newspaper Mornings. It was narrated in the voice of famous lyricist Gulzar to the audience in the form of short film that also featured his poem. The film conveys the message that the brand wants to reinstate in the hearts of its customers that some relationships never change. The film weaves an emotional aspect of the presence of newspaper in our lives. With the morning cup of chai, the thirst for a piece of new and unknown information, as well as to be a part of an intense debate. The lyrics are like, बिना अखबार के चाय सुबह की अधूरी लगती है, ना दिन चढ़ता है पूरा, ना पूरी आँख खुलती है. Set for the bowl of nostalgia. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like the video, and if you do like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in another one.